Hello there, good evening. It does feel like the search for summer really has been put on hold at the moment. If you saw some sunshine during Saturday, you were one of the lucky ones. Instead, many of us saw skies like this, quite grey and dull across a good chunk of the UK. We'll be holding on to that, particularly across eastern areas during this overnight period. Further outbreaks of rain could turn heavy for a time for the Scottish borders, Northumberland, down towards the North York moors as well. Very misty and murky around coast of the Moray Firth as well. But some clearer spells for Northern Ireland, far south of England and Wales, not faring too badly. A dry night here. Temperatures underneath the clearer skies could drop into single figures, but most of our towns and cities holding up in double-digit marks, so quite a mild start to Sunday morning overall. The brightest conditions to kick off the day really will be across the far south of the nations. England and Wales not faring too badly overall, and hopefully more sunshine here compared to what we have seen during today at least. Some brightness certainly possible for Northern Ireland, the central belt of Scotland and western areas of Scotland as well, gearing off to a fairly fine day overall. But it is this central slice through northern England into parts of the Midlands that is going to see the most persistent clouds, still with some outbreaks of rain around at times, but a little bit lighter compared to what we have seen. Feeling quite cool underneath that cloud as well, 15, 17 degrees Celsius as the top temperatures here. But where you see the sunshine through that central belt of Scotland towards the far south of England and Wales as well. Feeling more pleasant and a bit warmer here, 20 to 23 degrees Celsius. Attention will obviously very quickly turn to the grand final of the Euros, and looking further afield, it does seem like high pressure is going to be in charge across Germany. So for the players on the pitch in Berlin, it's not going to be too bad at all. Just some patchy cloud around with some clear spells into the evening. Temperatures as we head into kickoff as well, holding up around 20 degrees Celsius. For us here in the UK, hopefully the rain that we have seen, particularly across northern England, will begin to ease its way off and turn drier as we do move towards kick-off for any of those outdoor viewing parties. And for many of us into the evening, it should be a dry one overall. Still with that cloud lingering across the central slice, and again it will be quite misty and murky around the far north-east of Scotland at times. As we head towards the new working week though, many of you may be hoping for something a bit more summery, but unfortunately I'm going to be the bearer of bad news because we've got another area of low pressure that is going to start moving its way in from the southwest for Monday. This will start to bring a band of showers, some of them will be turning heavy, maybe with some thunder, even a touch of hail in the mixture in there as well. It'll be the northern half of the UK that starts off the best with some brighter, sunnier spells, still with some showers developing later on into the afternoon. But I think particularly for northern England, it is going to feel a much more pleasant day overall compared to what we have seen over the weekend, with an increased amount of sunny spells in there for a time. Temperatures responding to that, particularly now the winds are coming in from a southerly direction, and most of us will be pushing towards 19, if not pushing over towards 20, 21 or 22 degrees Celsius. So more around what we'd normally expect for this time of the year. As we head into the evening, that band of rain will continue to push its way northwards, so do stay up to date with all of that and when we can see that rainfall coming towards your area. So subscribe to the YouTube channel and we'll see you again here very soon. Bye-bye.